Come here.
He's going out
Sit.
already?
Yeah. Tucker, are you gonna be nice? Are you gonna be nice? This is your sister. Sit. Sit.
Sit.
Tucker, be nice. Be nice. That's your sister. Be nice, Tucker. Tucker, be nice.
He wants to play. He wants to play with you.
Yeah. Tucker, you be nice.
Okay, Tucker. Gentle.
Sit.
Gentle.
Be nice.
Gentle. Thank you, Tucker.
Yeah, be
Good
nice.
girl, Ellie. Good girl, Ellie.
Nice. Did she potty at all?
No. She just laid down. She's like, I'm done. I'm tired.
Yeah.
She's like, I don't know about this.
Tucker, she's small.
Oh, yeah.
You can put him down and see what he does to her. Tucker! No bark!
Tucker.
Sit.
Sit. Sit. No, you just be good. She's like, what is this?
Are you gonna do something, or am I gonna keep on holding this?
Yeah, you can.
Can you like put her down on the ground and see what happens?
She doesn't want to go down on the ground.
Alright, then I'll hold Tucker then. Tucker.